Hello Libra, this is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby. Libra, we're going into your Is My Ex Coming Back reading. Libra, we're going to see if you want your ex back. You do rule Venus, so I know that usually when people lose you, they were like, Libra was the best thing I ever had. I know Libra, you do that to people because you're Venus. Nevertheless, we're going to see if your ex coming back. Do you want your ex back, Libra? I don't usually go back to ex. I never ever in my life went back to an ex. Never. I don't talk to them either. So any ex that tell us me and them still a chat, we're mutually, we came to mutual understanding that we're mature enough to have a friendship, a blood clot lie. I am so immature, I will never fucking forgive them. Let's go. Okay, how does your ex feel about you? Who we doing? Libra. We have the 7 of Pentacles. So I'm getting someone feels like they had invested a lot of money in you and now them investment waste. They went to invest them money and you take them for full. Yes, it go so because we never really start. Yeah, so I'm getting someone's like, wow, I rented this place, I bought this for her. I put myself in debt, credit card debt for this girl. So I'm getting somebody's really thinking about how much money they have put into the relationship, spending on you, rather than how them feel about you. So it's more money driven, I guess, Libra. Does your ex want to get back together with you? The 5 of Swords. Yeah, for thief from you. Because I'm getting someone's like, that bitch really make me spend so much money. She made me invest so much in her, blah, blah, blah. I'm getting if somebody come back to you and say they want a second chance, it's because they want money out of you. Because they might look on how much trips, vacations, immigration, sponsorship they spent and they were like, fuck this shit, I want it back. So maybe somebody's trying to find a way to steal from you. What's the greatest obstacle of reuniting again? The 4 of Swords. Okay, so something about a house. So, something about a house. Either them a take your signature, forget you for sign one house. Maybe somebody I try to get you for living in the same house with them. But me getting somebody don't have enough money to do something, so them have to steal. Whether you're stealing money or you steal credentials. Because me getting there's a house here. Actually, we have the Numerology 77 here, so be very careful. Me getting one of your ex them, I say you and them live together. One of your ex them, I say that you and them are rent one apartment and me getting 2 people on a lease. You and your ex, and the ex say both on the side, the leasing, some type of roommate agreement, both on the inner. Me getting a lie, 77. The signature was forged. If the signature not forged, me getting the paper was passed on to somebody's ex. So me getting somebody want be back with you because either they did lie to you or you find out and you left them, now them don't have nowhere to live. Or apparently, maybe you don't have anywhere to live. Me getting an extra try to trap you, make you come back, come live with them. Just as roommates. Not as exes, just as roommates. But me getting 77, 4 of Swords. Me getting the house where you rent, the house where you buy, or the house where you lease. Me getting forged documents. Or me getting, it's something up with that. Okay, that's all. You and your ex. They must say, yeah, your ex live at the same address. Me getting is a lie. Something was forged. So if your ex keeps tormenting you, stalking you, your ex not leave you alone, it's because them get themselves in a problem. Them added you to a lease or them added you to some type of document where you don't know. And apparently you're supposed to be looking like I am this person. I don't even know why I'm doing Is Your Ex Coming Back reading, because I never ever anticipated any ex coming back. They're my ex for a reason. As Adisha Palmer said, all your exes, them take the highway from my exit. Yes, me got a message right now. Brand new boyfriend in town. All of your ex out. You don't have to explain. Your life is excellent. Come on, baby, let's go party. Exactly. If him did love you, him wouldn't mess up. He would not mess up if he loved you. So if he's your ex for a reason. Do not turn that got back into a Y. He's an ex. Okay, let's go. What is the likeliest outcome concerning both of you? The 9 of, yeah, me getting your ex one, you want him to live in the same house, whether on it together or not. That's basically what it is. Oh, what's up? Your ex still wants love. So I'm getting an ex at work now. Him don't have enough money for rent somewhere by himself. Apparently you do or you might. So the wish fulfillment is the ex want you and them for either living at the same housing projects, living at the same room, or them want you living in the same building. The problem is them a thief or them a forge, them a... I don't know what them a do to get the signature to do this. But I'm getting theft. 7 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, theft. Or this could be your ex just make you sign a lease and then them thief the house from you. Because I'm getting someone wants to get back at you because again, they think that they were robbed. They think they invest so much money and they got nothing back in return. So I'm getting they're leaving with something, and that's a house in your name. That's what they're leaving with, apparently. Yeah, your ex doesn't like you. I don't think your ex likes you as much as you think. Perhaps not getting back together with them would be the best thing to do. Anyways, let's go ahead, Libra. I'm sorry, I was under the table. We have underrated. Okay, I was under the table. We have the Hangman. We have I have to take these secrets to the grave. We have the Sun card, and we have Leo. Yeah, so Libra. I don't know what you and a Leo is in. I'm getting is either Libra and a Leo. Your ex is a Libra or a Leo. Either the Leo have your name on a house and I said to want to live together, or the Libra have the name on a house saying to want to live together and are roommates. I'm getting nothing go so. Or even better, your name is on a lease with a Libra and your name is on a lease with a Leo. So you live at 2 different locations. But them can't find your body at either location. Because I'm getting something was stolen. Or it was taken by force or by trickery. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Libra, bye.